Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will be teaching you how to make a trivia game in Python. So let's get started. So in Python, to create the trivia game, we're gonna require variables and some important statements such as the input statement. So let's get started. First we'll create a heading saying welcome to my trivia. And then another statement saying answer or all questions. And now starts our question. So we give a variable as q1, meaning question 1, and we'll give it as an input, and the text inside will be 1. What is the square? What is the square? What is the square root of 100 minus the square root of 81? And the answer will be a int. So we do the normal int method, q1, and now we check it using an if statement. Those who might be new to an if statement will learn how to do it in this episode. So now we've done that. We've written an if, and now after the if we'll write q1 is equal to 1 as the square of 100. The square root of 100 is 10 minus the square root of 81 is 9, which is 1. Then we put a colon and enter. Print correct. And now we need to define another variable at the very top. This variable will be called score, and we'll set score to 0, and we have to change score by the +1 method. I'm just trying something new. So let's save and run. Okay, everyone. Here it has to be double equals. And now we run again. Okay, this isn't working. So we'll just have to do the plus equals, like 1. We'll save. And we'll also print the score. Now let's run. Welcome to my trivia. Answer all questions. What is the square root of 100 minus 1? And I'm giving 1. Correct and 1. And now if it's wrong, we do an else statement. Else print wrong and print again the correct answer is 1. And using this method, we can create the rest of the questions. Excuse me. So we'll just copy paste this code. Four more times and change each one to a different. And now the second question, I'm gonna change it to what is the homophone of C? And now and this is a string answer. And here we have to write dot lower. As if they give in capital and we give the answer in lowercase, it will show incorrect. So the homophone is C. And print correct score is, and then the correct answer here is C. So let's run again. 1, 1, and then what is the homophone of C? C. Okay, now the third question, I'm gonna write what is give 1/3 level programming language. And for this, the answers can vary. Therefore, this is also a string. And here, before the if statement, we have to create a list. So, languages equals and square brackets Fortran C#, and the last one Java. I'm only putting these, but you can put as many third level programming languages as you want. And we change Q1 to Q3 dot lower. And here, instead of this statement, we write in language. So what this basically does is it checks if the answer is in the list language, which is here. And if yes, it prints, and the correct answers can be Fortran, C#, and Java. And the last question, question 4. This question will be, how long is a big scale? And this is a general knowledge question. So, and it's an int. And here, to justify, to give the them clarity, just give the number, no need of the units. And we set Q4 is equal to 30, as a big scale is 30 centimeters. And print correct, and here the answer is 30. We save it, and now the marking scheme. So for the marking scheme, what we need to do is marks is equal to, so to calculate how much percent the person has got, we are going to multiply the score by 25 to give out of 100 the percent. And here we print you have got, and then curly bracket, because we're going to use the dot format this time. You have got curly bracket, percent in my trivia, and here we write dot format brackets, and we write marks, and we save and we run. 1. What is the homophone of C? C. Give 1/3 level programming language, Fortran. How long is a big scale? Just give the number, no need of the units, 30. You have got 100% in my trivia. Thank you everyone. And I'll see you in my next video.